If your Evernote account feels messy, slow, or impossible to find things in, this video is going to help you fix that fast. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to organize Evernote for maximum efficiency using a simple system that makes your notes easier to store, search, and actually use. We'll build a clean notebook structure, create clear note titles, add tags the right way, turn notes into tasks, attach files properly, and use search so you can find anything in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, start by creating your notebook structure. On the left sidebar, click Notebooks. This is where you group your notes into larger categories. Now click New Notebook and begin building simple, useful sections for your life or work. A good setup might include notebooks like work, personal, and finance. If you want to go a step further, you can also create notebooks for clients, school, projects, or travel. The key here is to keep your notebooks broad enough to stay organized, but specific enough that you can instantly know where a note belongs. Avoid making too many notebooks at the beginning because that can make things more confusing instead of more efficient. Once your notebooks are ready, the next step is to create notes with clear titles. Click New Note to make a fresh note, and then give it a title that tells you exactly what the note is about. Instead of using something vague like meeting notes, use a descriptive title such as Team Meeting, July 24th, 2026, or Project Plan. That way, when you search later, you do not have to guess what the note contains. Clear titles are one of the fastest ways to improve Evernote organization because they help your notes become easy to scan at a glance. Now let's talk about tags. Tags are one of the best tools for connecting related notes across different notebooks. Open a note, scroll to the bottom, and click Add Tag. Then type a tag such as Meeting, Project, or Urgent, and press Enter. Tags are useful when one note belongs to more than one category. For example, a note about a client meeting could live in your work notebook, but also use tags like Follow Up, Client, and Important. That makes it much easier to pull up related notes later. Try to keep your tags consistent and do not create too many one-time tags that you will never use again. The more consistent your tags are, the easier it becomes to search and filter your notes later. Next, turn important notes into tasks. Open a note, then click the task button or type /task. Enter the task name and add a due date if needed. This is great for turning meeting notes, project ideas, or reminders into actionable items instead of letting them sit there forgotten. If you use Evernote as both a note-taking app and a productivity system, tasks can help you stay on top of what needs to get done without switching between multiple apps. Now, let's add files to keep everything in one place. If you have a PDF, image, or spreadsheet related to a note, just drag and drop it directly into the note. You can also click Insert and choose Attachment. This is especially helpful for receipts, project documents, scanned pages, or reference material. Instead of hunting through your computer or email later, everything stays attached to the note where it belongs. That saves time and makes your Evernote workspace much more efficient. After that, make search your best friend. Click the search bar and type a keyword, a note title, or even a tag name. Evernote will show you matching results so you can jump straight to the note you need. The better your notebook names, titles, and tags are, the faster search becomes. This is why the whole system works together. Notebooks help with broad categories. Titles help with fast identification. Tags help with cross-referencing. Tasks help with action items, attachments keep supporting files together, and search helps you find everything instantly. If you want maximum efficiency, the real secret is keeping your system simple and repeatable. Every new note should have a clear home, a useful title, and tags only when they actually add value. Don't overcomplicate the process. A clean Evernote setup is one that you can maintain every day without thinking too hard about where things go. So to recap, create notebooks for your main categories, name your notes clearly, add tags for easy filtering, turn key items into tasks, attach your files, and use search whenever you need to find something quickly. If you follow this structure, your Evernote workspace will feel much cleaner and much faster to use. And if this walkthrough helped you organize Evernote better, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.